Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox two sneakers that are inspired by the Japanese anime One Piece. So both sneakers are actually pretty dope. One pair I picked up from Osaka. The other one I got here in the Philippines. So this is the collaboration between Puma and One Piece. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a sneaker of your choice from the sneaker shop Commonwealth. So all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community. The links to all three are down below in the description box. And then watch the video down below which details all the rest of the mechanics. The link to that down below as well in the description box. Good luck. So the first sneaker I want to show you is the pair that I picked up from Osaka, Japan. If you haven't watched my Osaka series yet, I'll put a link down below. We go sneaker shopping, we check out different places in Osaka, Japan. And if you are planning a trip there, you should definitely watch that one. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So as you can see, it has prints of different characters of One Piece at the top of the box. Of course, with Luffy over here, the main protagonist of the series. If you take a look at the side, you have the details of the shoe. This features the Cell Venom silhouette, which actually has that air unit at the back of the heel and then transforms into some sort of foam midsole from the middle to the forefoot section of the shoe. If you pop the box open, bam, take a look at that bling. Definitely one of the most opulent, extravagant, and luxurious vibe-giving sneakers that you can find today. I mean, it's not every day that you find shoes with gold chains and bling hanging from it, right? So this sneaker is actually inspired by, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name properly, Guild Tesoro, which is some sort of like non-canon character or villain that came out in one of the movies of One Piece. So he is supposed to be some sort of like gambling lord. And if you take a picture, see a picture of him online, he really does resemble what you see here. All of that bling, all of that gold, all of those shiny things all over him, which kind of, really gives you that, yeah, I'm a gambling lord rich guy. And that's the vibe you get with the sneaker. So if we take a closer look at the shoe, it's not just all bling because there are secrets to the sneaker that are pretty cool, which I'll go over right now. The most striking thing about this sneaker obviously are the gold chains that cut across the shoe, both on the left and right sneaker. But if you pop open the insole, I mean if you remove the insole, it actually has a nice surprise. It has this gold coin in it. One face has the Puma logo, the other face has the One Piece logos. It's nice added small detail, a nice added touch for fans of One Piece. It also comes with this key, gold key, which I think also can be found on the character of Tesoro. I'm not sure where you're supposed to connect it on the shoe. I saw on the website that it's supposed to dangle from one side, but I can't find the loop yet. I haven't gone through the paces of the shoe. In fact, as you can see, it still has the plastic and the tags, so it is still pretty much brand new. Also, I saw online that if you take out certain parts of the sneaker, it reveals like smaller details, kind of like what you saw with the Stranger Things shoe, or for example, in a more recent one, the G-Dragon Air Force One. That is one of my current favorite sneakers. So yeah, those are like the small details. You even have like gold specks here at the outsole, which is a kind of nice, a nice added touch to give you again that opulent vibe. Opulent is the word of the day. Now this one, good news for all of you, is already available locally. You can actually find it over at Puma Select in Uptown Mall BGC. I dropped by there and I saw this one selling for a little over 9,000 pesos. I did try to put this on feet, though I haven't removed all the plastic yet. And while I can't say that it's super comfortable because this is one size smaller than my actual size. There wasn't a size 12 anymore and I really wanted to cop it just for the review. So I pulled the trigger on size 11. So I can't give you guys a solid objective review in terms of comfort. But yeah, so this is the first sneaker I wanted to show you. This is again the Puma One Piece Guild Tesoro Cell Venom. The second sneaker I have here is inspired by the pirate ship of Luffy, the Thousand Sunny. And it does give you that vibe with browns and cables and wires and some sort of like sneaker, shoe vibe, sneaker boat vibe that you'll see in a bit. Now it comes in that same box, black, white, with the characters at the top. I did get this one in the right size, so this is size 12, and it features the Cell Endura silhouette. So if you pop the box open, You have the same tissue paper, and then bam! If the first one was all about bling, was all about opulence, this one has a darker hue, a darker colorway, and to be honest, it looks really dope. I mean, take a look at that, guys. Bam! Now, if with the previous sneaker, the striking detail was the gold chains across the upper, for this one, just like what you would see in a ship, you have rope, which stretches not just for the lacing system here at the middle, but also along the sides of the sneaker. So you have this brown rope going around, and you have these, I don't know, like gold or metal buttons along the side to be able to keep the rope in place, just like what you would see in a ship. It has the themed colors of the Sunny in one piece. You have red, white, and black, and brown. You have the Puma logo here at the bottom of the shoe, as well as here as the tongue. And if you take a look at the bottom, it has an anchor in color gold, which is a nice bling that they added to the shoe. At the back, you have the Cell logo, which is, again, this is the Endura Cell. And then you have the rubber outsole and those really nice looking air units for the midsole that help with cushioning. Now, I couldn't help myself, and I went inside the shoe and took out the insole and took a look at what's underneath. Unfortunately, underneath both insoles of both sneakers, there's no hidden surprise, unlike the surprise that we found in the previous silhouette. But hey, I love the look, I love the vibe. It's so much easier to wear. It has that oomph, it has that, you know, that distinct personality, and it doesn't, while it doesn't super scream one piece, which I think is nice because it is much more wearable that way. That bling at the back of the heel, that anchor really gives it that extra oomph. Now, if you want to buy one, this one is also available locally already at Puma Select over at the Uptown Mall BGC. Sells for a little over 9,000 pesos as well. So what do you guys think of both Puma one-piece sneakers? Which do you feel is the better one of the two? Or what are your comments in general for this or this? Let me know down below in the comment section which of the sneakers you'd like to cop. Your general thoughts on them. I'd love to hear from you guys. Hit the comments, be part of the community, be part of the conversation. Go. Now, if you find either of the sneakers too expensive at 9,000 pesos, that's perfectly understandable because 9,000 pesos is 9,000 pesos. There is a cheaper and more affordable alternative. You can check out the collaboration between One Piece and Skechers. This is also widely available here in the Philippines. I think Urban Athletics over at Greenbelt is carrying them. You can see them on display. They are themed for the different characters from One Piece. So this one I have over here is the D-Light silhouette inspired by the character Blackbeard. So you have elements of his clothing throughout the sneaker as well as his logo here at the tongue tab. I also have the other version of this which was inspired by Ace. So it was more on the red, yellow, and orange, you know, that fire vibe that Ace is all about. And both sneakers are extremely comfortable. That is one of the most underrated things about Skechers. They get a lot, you know, a bad rap for copying a lot of the silhouettes that we've seen in the past, but man, their sneakers are extremely comfortable. You really have to give it to them for that, and they are quite affordable as well. So again, if you don't have enough budget for the 9,000 peso sneakers for the collaboration of Puma and One Piece, you still have a chance to be able to wear your favorite One Piece inspired characters by checking out Skechers. I did a review on this one. I'll put the link down below so you can watch that one as well. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you all enjoyed our episode. The weekend is here. What are your plans? As for me, I will be packing. I will be preparing because I'll be flying off to Las Vegas. I'll be going to the Consumer Electronics Show. This will be the first time I'll ever be in Las Vegas, and this is the first time I'm actually going to the CES event. Now, CES, for any tech personality or tech YouTuber or content creator, is one of the most, you know, must go, must see, must cover events. And I'm super excited. I'm super thrilled that I get to bring you guys along with me. So expect a lot of vlogs coming out of Las Vegas in the next few days. The vlogs will probably start happening around Wednesday. I need some time, so I'll probably do like a buffer of videos. So you will still be seeing like unboxing videos throughout the next few days. But once the middle of the week happens next week, you will start to see more videos from Las Vegas coming out. But if you wanna, you know, see real time what's happening, please do follow me on Instagram. I will be posting heavily on my IG stories throughout my travels throughout my stay in Las Vegas, and I'd love for you guys to see what I see. So I get to bring you guys along with me virtually to CES in Las Vegas. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.